Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Chinese cuisine. In particular, we'll be exploring the beloved dish known as Chinese sweet and sour fish. Get ready for a taste sensation. Sweet and sour fish is a classic Chinese seafood dish that combines the perfect balance of flavors, sweetness, tanginess, and a hint of spice. But did you know that this dish has some intriguing and lesser-known facts? Let's uncover them. Fact 1. While sweet and sour fish is popular worldwide, its origins can be traced back to the Jiangsu province in eastern China. This region is known for its abundant freshwater fish, which forms the heart of this dish. Jiangsu's diverse river systems, including the Yangtze River, provide a rich source of freshwater fish, making it the perfect place to develop this unique dish. Fact 2. The distinctive flavors of sweet and sour fish come from the combination of key ingredients. The sweet element is achieved using ingredients such as sugar, honey, or sweetened vinegar, while the sourness comes from rice vinegar or black vinegar. It's the delicate balance between these contrasting flavors that makes sweet and sour fish so addictive. It's a true symphony for your taste buds. Fact 3. One fascinating aspect of sweet and sour fish is the technique used to achieve that crispy, golden exterior. The fish is first marinated, coated with a light batter, and then deep fried to perfection. This cooking method creates a delightful crunch, while keeping the fish moist and tender on the inside. It's a testament to the artistry and precision involved in Chinese cooking. Fact 4. In traditional Chinese cuisine, sweet and sour fish is often served as a whole fish, symbolizing prosperity and abundance. The fish's shape represents unity and completeness, making it a popular choice for festive occasions like Chinese New Year. So, not only does this dish taste incredible, it also carries cultural significance and embodies the positive values cherished in Chinese traditions. There you have it, folks, some of the most unknown facts about Chinese sweet and sour fish. It's amazing how a single dish can encapsulate history, culinary techniques, and cultural symbolism. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend exploring this delightful combination of flavors and textures. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting food adventures. Until next time, happy cooking!